Hi everyone, Kristina here. Welcome to another video at my YouTube channel. Today this is going to be a really quick tip video on the envelope punch board and the 123 punch board from We Are Memory Keepers. These are two different boards, but each of them has a feature for making envelopes. The envelope punch board, like the name suggests, only will make envelopes, with the intended purpose. However, the 123 punch board does envelopes, boxes, and bows. Now, this is my history with these two punch boards. Years ago, I got the envelope punch board and I was perfectly content with it. However, I think a few years ago it was that We Are Memory Keepers came out with an additional punch board. They actually had kind of a short time period where they came out with a bunch of punch boards for boxes, to tags, all sorts of different items that you could use with punch boards. So they came out with one called the 123 punch board, and the thing that really intrigued me about this one is that it had an extending arm so that you could score larger envelopes and boxes and bows as well. So I guess it was probably 6 months ago, I purchased the latest version of the envelope punch board, which is kind of a cream color and an aqua blue. Now, this is a perfectly functional envelope punch board. It does what it says, it's for envelopes. However, when I started using that punch board, I realized it didn't have that extending arm, and I really missed it because I tend to make a lot of larger envelopes, ones that are larger than A2 or a standard size card, and I really need that extending arm to score the full length of my paper when I'm making those larger envelopes. So that is why I really recommend investing in the 123 punch board over the envelope punch board. So I'll have some links down below to both punch boards so you can decide which one you'd like to use. This is just my personal preference, and since I mentioned that fact in a video recently, I thought I would do a really quick video just telling you why I like that punch board in particular. So today I also have an envelope that I created for my mail art rainbow over at Instagram. So watch for that video later today. I just have to edit it and then it will be up very soon. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in another video very soon. On screen, I've got 2 more videos to check out. These are going to be some videos where I use the 123 punch board to create an envelope. Hope you'll check those out, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and also give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys next time.